Without making these 3 lines, we can do it more elegant way, like we can say router load the routes.php and instantiate yourself, then require it. We can say this way without doing this. So we have to make a static method called load in the router.php file. Let's make a method called static load. So we are passing this file there, so we can accept it here, file, and we have to require it here. And what we need, other thing we need, we have to instantiate this router also in here. How can we do that? We can do that like router equal new static. If we can do that, then it will instantiate here. Also we can call self. So let's keep it static. Then we can say return router, and let's see if it's working or not. Nope, it's not working. So we have to require it here to make it work. You see, if we require it, then it is working.